Hey, what's going on, everyone? Guess what? Yeah, a sell signal was confirmed into the market in Coinbase. I'm going to talk about that today in this video and see whether or not should we participate, should we play into the market in Coinbase once I show you where this sell signal was confirmed at. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do the price predictions without the confusion. You guys can see from my price chart, not only do I show you the good plays, I also show you the ones that go against me. Yeah, I also show you the ones that I don't get right, because we can still learn from these price movements from what we anticipated to what actually happened. So if you guys appreciate all of my videos, all of my content, hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel, because guess what? Yeah, fundamental analysis and technical analysis is too complex. It's too analytical. You got to be dependent on data that is not actually available now. You got to do a lot of future earnings, revenue, and income statements and balance sheets, and how many deliveries did they make here, how many products did they sell there. It's too questionable that you cannot quantify how much the value of a stock is. So I don't use it. Same thing with technical indicators. I mean, you guys can plot any type of technical indicator you want on a chart to get the story that you want. And when people do that, they kind of finagle and manipulate the market technical indicator in a way that make them look like, yeah, it can go to that particular price, but it doesn't reflect what the market thinks. So I just look at price bars and volume. All right, if you guys want to get the latest stock price prediction that I have for all of these stocks that I cover, yeah, come here to my playlist, scroll down, find that particular market that you're interested in: Rivian, Volta, Micron, Sunless Technology, Krispy Kreme, Twitter, DocuSign, wherever the case may be, and find the latest price prediction that I have on the chart. All right, now real quick, I did a video into the market in Coinbase on the 27th of December, and I was playing the market bullishness then, right? Yes, and it didn't even last long. I mean, keeping it real, the price in Coinbase immediately went down. So from out the gate, you should have saw, well, hold on now. We got to question how strong the market is in Coinbase, right? Yeah. And I even mentioned that this could actually be restriction into the market in Coinbase because of this. You could go back and listen to the video. We've already established that this market in Coinbase was already hitting at this restriction point, and it didn't go no higher than that. So yeah, it definitely went against me, because I was looking for the market to give me a little bit more strength, but that didn't even pan out. So yeah, this one did not go right. This price prediction to the market in Coinbase did not go right. And if you were to get out on the close of the last trading day, which is on the 21st of January, down 30%. Yeah, this is why you have to learn how to cut these plays quick. This is why when the market in Coinbase continued to reflect weakness right here, should have told you that something is not right. All of this is selling. So didn't get it right. This one definitely went against my price prediction, down about 30%. Now let's try to get it back. Get back in position to see if we really need to make a play in Coinbase, because this is where the sell signal was triggered into the market in Coinbase, and we're going to maintain this sell signal until price breaks back up above this level. Do you want to see it? All right, cool. I got you. Let me show it to you. Right there. This market in Coinbase is going to be a sell until we see the price break back up above like 220. I'll do around 220. Yep, right there. So you guys can see it. Very limited price history on the chart for Coinbase, but we can still see where market changes. This is where the buyers were since this market was traded on the exchange. They were around $220, $215. That was willing to prop up Coinbase price right there. Right here on the 21st, we broke that. So we should not be buyers into the market in Coinbase. And then on top of that, we are making all-time lows here. So this is not a buyer's market. This is a seller's market. This is a weak market. This is a bearish market in Coinbase. Now, can we see the price come back up to 220? We sure can. But we're not going to be fooled. We're not going to be tricked into thinking that the market in Coinbase is a buy. No, we have to see this price break massively above that. Okay, so let's check this out real quick. On the 3 weeks time frame, you guys can see it right there that we definitely have broken that buyer's level of support around 220. Yep. What about on a weekly? You can see it even better here on the weekly time frame. So the question is, do you come in and participate in this market? Like, do you really come in and sell the market now? Or would you wait and let the price come back up, get rejected around 211, 215, 220, then come back down? Because once you make all-time lows, I mean, there's no limit to how low price can go. And seeing how Coinbase last trade was at $191, we could see price go a lot lower than what many people may anticipate, right? Yeah. You guys can already see in pre-market we're at around $176. See that? It's a monthly time frame. We got 7 days. It's last week for the month of January. But either way, I'm still looking for price in Coinbase to go down. Either way, I'm still weak into the market because of what happened or what didn't happen around 220. Yeah, buyers didn't come through. So let's see this. Okay. If we're expecting the price in Coinbase to still go down, how low do you think the price is going to go? Because usually, if you don't have any basis to where prior history can tell us where the buyers were willing to prop up the price, anywhere could be, support. And the only way that you'll know that the market has stopped falling is you'll see a massive amount of volume come through on strength. Okay, so this is a downtrend. This is what a falling knife is, right? This is where you have no idea as to how low the price is going to go. So when I do this price prediction, I want everyone to understand that anywhere in this profit area will have to be TP. TP simply means take profit. Anywhere will have to be TP. Because I have no basis. I have nowhere in the background of this chart that we can see, oh, okay, yeah, right there around, $160 the buyers came into the market. No, this is unfamiliar territory for this relatively new market. And we got to realize that. And I do. So I want you all to understand that even though I'm playing in weakness here into the market in Coinbase, I cannot determine how low it's going to go, right? And I want you all to understand that too. And anywhere within this green area of my profit area will have to be TP. You guys can already see that is at 176.16. That might be the low. It might be. And you might not be able to react to this video because we already came that low. All right. So what I'm going to do, I might just wait. Seeing that the market is already down $176. Okay. So what do you all think? Should we wait or should we keep this on the table, on the chart? I'm just going to keep it there because I want everyone just to see how low the market in Coinbase actually is going to go. It could go a lot lower. I'm here to tell you that right now, that the price in Coinbase is definitely going to go a lot lower. You know what? I'm going to show you this. I'm going to get rid of it. And I'm going to show you that everything is not always a play into the market, right? You don't need to participate in everything. Just let you know that this environment in Coinbase is weak. This is a bearish market in Coinbase, and we're going to continue to play the weakness or expect the price to go down in Coinbase until we find new buyers, 1, or 2, price comes back up and break above 220. So this is what a market looks like that you don't need to come in and participate in. All right. And I want to show you all that just by looking at charts, you can actually see whether or not you can play or whether or not you should not play. Because I know a lot of people get antsy. They want to know, should I get in? Should I get out? Is there a play here? This is one way you don't want to play. All right. So hopefully I have shown you reasons why this is not a play. If I haven't, drop me a comment and let me know. But namely, we've created an all-time low. That's one reason why you don't want to play in the market. Secondly, we don't know where the market's going to find support. Thirdly, this is a falling knife. We don't know how low the market's going to go. We might get a quick reversal, come back up to 220, get rejected again, price comes back down. It's too many unknowns. And when you have too many unknowns on a market, you don't come in and play. We want more information, definitive, concrete information that we can play off of to give us the best outlook, the best outcome. And we don't really have that right now on Coinbase. So that's why I'm not going to do a price prediction. But maybe you do. Maybe you can. Hey, it's open. The comment section is open on this video. You could drop a comment right now and tell everyone publicly, where are you noticing Coinbase going? How low you think it's going to go? What is your price target as we go into the month of March and April? Try it out. Let me know. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.